Here we are again with Caroline Aiken. She is the expert in restoring shower doors with the Diamond Seal products. She's going to take care of this shower door here, which the homeowner tells us is about 4 years old. You can see how the water stains have just embedded themselves like little riverbeds into the glass. And the homeowner here has tried everything to get this clean, and she's been unsuccessful. So she knows Caroline, so she knows that Caroline has the product and the solution for this. And the Diamond Sealed Systems Bath Kit, you can get that on Amazon under Diamond Seal Systems. Also, the Diamond Blue Wash is sold there, and you can also look at shopdiamondseal.com. So what's in the kit, Caroline?
Well, let's open it up and see. I guess I'll just show you from here. We've got 3 products in here. The first one is for cleaning and restoring the glass.
Okay, so that's to take off the water stains?
Yes,
okay.
The next one will seal it, and the follow-up is the maintenance cleaner. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one. It's the Diamond Luster.
Sounds good.
And you use it with the scrubby pad here. They are a dynamic duo that really work together well to get water stains out off of your glass and even off of your fixtures. But we're going to just show you the glass today.
Okay.
So I'm going to start over here. First of all, you just go ahead and pour. Can you see me through here?
I can see you.
Pretty dirty.
Yeah, looks like you're underwater.
I know. So I'm going to take the Diamond Luster. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and, actually, now that I think about it, I'm going to go ahead and put the gloves on. There are gloves in the box. That's always a good idea whenever you're dealing with cleaners.
Is that a harsh cleaner? Is there any acid in that product?
No, there's no acid. It just has a little bit of ammonia, and it's just kind of thick, and it's a little stinky, so you want to keep your fan running when you're using it or have the window open.
Okay.
With the restoration and the seal both, they both have a little bit of a alcohol smell to them, so just always better to be safe.
I got all kinds of cleaners can dry out your hands
Anything.
too.
I wear gloves when I use any cleaners, really.
That's smart.
Just to protect my skin.
Okay, so let's just do a small section and see how we do here.
Yeah, I can show you. It's pretty quick. You just pour a good amount on the pad. It's pretty thick liquid, and you just pour it onto the pad. And this pad may seem like it would scratch your glass, but it does not scratch the glass at all. It's a eliminator pad to eliminate the spots and stains.
Well, I heard that pad was specially formulated for the luster.
It really was, and it does a great job. The two of them together work in tandem and help each other out to really clean this glass pretty quick. So I just go in circles, and you can hear the sound of the spots coming off. As they come off, it gets a little more quiet. You kind of already hear it.
Oh yeah, I can hear it.
So I'm just going to give it a few passes. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time so I can just really show you the difference. And as soon as it gets really quiet, I will wipe it off. You can use any kind of towel to wipe this off. Microfiber cloths are always best, but you want to make sure to not cross-contaminate your cloth. So
is it clean now?
it sounds pretty clean.
I can't hear it. Yeah.
Yeah, sounds pretty
Go ahead and
clean.
wipe it down. Let's see how fast that was. Go ahead. Yeah, you can use that cloth.
You want to give me a dirty cloth just in case?
I don't think I have any.
This one comes with a kit.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Okay. It's not really dirty. It's just not, I don't want to use the one from the kit because I want to save that for the end. But as you can see, this one little section is quite clean already. Now this is a very heavily damaged door. So that's the first pass. It looks pretty clean up top. But now I might do one more pass on it because I can still see a little bit of
That is much better than it was.
It's a huge difference.
That is a big difference.
I'm kind of a perfectionist, so
I mean, that is a big difference, yeah.
So I would go over one more pass with the
Okay.
luster.
Well, why don't we do this, because we don't want to make this a really long video. Why don't we I'll just pan down here and see how bad this panel is, okay? And we'll go ahead and do this whole panel,
Okay.
and then we'll cut it back in to the video.
All right.
Yeah, okay. Have fun with that.
Or we
And how long do you think it would take to do this panel here?
Well, that was about what? 2 minutes maybe?
2 minutes, so maybe about 10 minutes?
So I think the total time for this whole panel would probably be about 10 minutes, yeah.
Okay, very good. We'll come back and see how she's doing.